Riwruok mar jochiw thieth mano kuswo oniano ni pod gibiro dhi nyime gi ng'anyo ka chieng' wuok tich mar juma mabiro giyango ni gibiro timo ng'anyo mar atipo nyaka piny owacho chopie winjruok magi. Kanoloso gi jofwambo, jagoro maduong' mar riwruogno George Gibore oseo sirikande mag gwenge mosebedo ka keyo weche ni gisechungo ng'anyo margi. Bende oseo Director General ma kojole migawo mar thieth Dr Patrick Amoth mosebedo ka loso marach e wi ng'anyo margi. Riwruok mar kuso oyango ni gibiro chwalo ng'ur maduong' ne duol maduong' mochung' ne jotije e piny owacho PSC mondo mi othich oko Dr Amoth e apisi.
And our strike is still active and strong. We are also here to categorically put it to the county government that they must stop misleading Kenyan and misleading clinical officers that we have had agreement. A case point is yesterday where the county government of Trans Nzoia just circulated letters in social media informing the public that we have had discussion and that we have engaged and we have agreed and that we have signed a return to work with them. And categorically, I want to state it here, that we have not had any engagement with that county government.
So we have called upon all clinic officers across the country, and on Monday, we are going to have a mega demonstration so that we can go to the offices and they can inform us the reason as to why they want Kenyans to suffer.